Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the garden of your dreams with 69 of the absolute hottest floral nail art trends taking over social media right now. Whether you're a pro looking for fresh inspo or a beginner ready to pick up a doting tool, we've got a bouquet of styles for everyone. From dainty microblossoms to bold, 3D masterpieces, let's get blooming. First up, let's talk about the coquette bloom aesthetic. Think soft pastels and ultrafine lines. Design number 5 here uses a sheer nude base with tiny white daisies. It's the ultimate clean girl floral. Notice how these lavender fields designs use elongated petals? It's a great way to make your nails look longer without needing extensions. And for my French money lovers, design number 12 is a total game changer. Instead of a white tip, we're seeing delicate flower crowns along the edge. It's elegant, classic, but with a major botanical twist. Ready to turn up the volume? We're moving into bold botanicals. Design is giving us major tropical energy with these oversized hibiscus petals. To get that depth, nail artists are layering vibrant corals and hot pinks over a crisp white base. Don't sleep on the sunflower trend. It's all about that contrast. Look at design the bright yellow petals against a dark navy or even a matte black base really makes the artwork pop. It's moody, it's artistic, and it definitely makes a statement. If you want something that feels a bit more high fashion, check out these chrome blooms. By rubbing chrome powder over a floral outline, you get this incredible metallic, futuristic effect. This is a personal favorite. Silver chrome roses on a deep emerald green. We're also seeing a huge surge in 3D textured florals. Using thick builder gel or clear textured gel, you can actually feel the petals on your nails. It's like wearing a sculpture on your fingertips. These are perfect for special events where you want that extra wow factor. Now, if you're thinking, I could never paint that, think again. Design number 62 was actually done using floral decals and stickers. Just pop them on, seal them with a high gloss top coat, and you're golden. Another pro tip for beginners, the doting tool method. You just need 5 dots for the petals and 1 for the center. It's how the classic daisy garden look is achieved. Simple, cheerful, and virtually impossible to mess up. That wraps up our 69 design floral countdown. From the softest cherry blossoms to the edgiest chrome lilies, the options are endless. Which of these designs was your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found some new inspo. And subscribe Tattoo 18 for more weekly nail art roundups. Until next time, keep those nails blooming.